Hi, my name is Greg and I'm an audio designer and I want to share with you the update on my listening room, so check it out. First of all, the high-level view of what you can see, and on my channel I'm recording highest quality sound demos for you so that you can hear everything, maybe not everything, but a lot of what I hear in here. So those are high-end shops microphones. I've got new preamp that I'm using with the microphones for even better sound separation. And the most recent update is this amazing acoustic panel wall. I 3D printed them. I designed them and 3D printed them, and I've did some console multiphysics simulations, and apparently those are the most effective diffusers available on the market at the moment, and probably ever. Each panel, there are 350 panels on my wall, and each panel is 24 by 24 centimeters, and the highest ones are 24 centimeters in height as well, and they vary with two different lower designs, which is 14 and 9 centimeters. So the wall don't repeat itself, it's completely random, but with mirror symmetry on the left and right side of the room. So it looks amazing with the light, ambient lighting. It's crazy, absolutely crazy. And the sound coming from the loudspeakers now is truly stunning. Previously, I've had these panels that you might recognize from my previous videos, and I also 3D printed them, but their effectiveness compared to the new design is not that great, because the height might be there, but overall there's plenty of the same frequencies absorption here in the pockets, so it's not, it looks beautiful, I get that. So I'm using still them at my listening position here as the background diffusers, but the entire wall here now is absolutely crazy. It sounds amazing, it looks awesome, at least for me. So let me know in the comment, what do you think? Do you like the new wall, the look of it? Yeah, other than that, previously I was using the Live Harmony GAN M Class D amplifiers, which I like very much, and I still have to do review on that. I've got entire live system here. But for the main big reference amplifier, I purchased the Gryphon Diablo 333. This is crazy amplifier. It's AB class. It's 333 watts at 8 ohms, 666 at 4 ohms, and around 1.2 kilowatts at 2 ohms. So it doubles, it's effortless. It sounds amazing, and it powers my Virtual HiFi Cobra monitors like crazy. I will share a sound demo with you guys in a moment. If you don't know this speaker, this is absolutely crazy loudspeaker. There's two 7-inch woofers, basically carbon subwoofers, that are truly stunning because there's nothing like it on the market. They create the mid-range that is amazing, and I can use the Mundorf AMT together with that speaker, so it's absolutely stunning. And to pump up the sound pressure in the room, there is 6 passive radiators for each Cobra loudspeaker, so the active woofer surface is enormous. It's effortless, it has amazing scale, and well, it's absolutely stunning. So I will prepare the sound demo for you guys that I've been recording here, and I will switch to it at the moment. One more thing. Recently I've created this power cable, the Vermillion power, which is solid core, which is absolutely rare in the hi-fi industry. Nordost Valhalla is one of the cables that I know of that is solid core, and it's copper solid core, carbon fiber finish, aluminum plugs, and the material for the connectors is pure copper with a thick silver plating, 0.2 millimeter of silver plating, and it sounds amazing. And by the end of the month, so it's like 2 more days, you can have a special discount code for the subscribers of the channel. This batch I have to now pack and ship today, but other than that, yeah, I'm looking forward to your comment on what do you think about new listening studio, and I'm getting back to reviewing a lot of gear for you guys, because last year I spent developing plenty of new gear, and now I want to share all the progress with you guys on the videos and sound demos. So without further ado, I will now switch to the Fujifilm camera and just enjoy the sound demo. See you soon, bye bye!
a shelter, a whole light, a light that died with the night. You and I, we got our differences. Yet I thought we were more alike than unlike. Months of rain and chest pain. What's the plan? Heavy breathing, stay insane. Grab my hand. Everything is great inside this narrow maze. We speak, but oh, nothing. We run our separate ways. Do you ever think about me? Or are you busy with someone else? You and I, we got our differences. Yet I thought we were more alike than unlike. Months of rain and chest pain. What's the plan? Heavy breathing, stay insane. Now grab my hand. Everything is great inside this narrow maze. Everything has lost its taste. Months of rain and chest pain. Heavy breathing, stay insane. Now grab my hand. Months of rain and chest pain. Tell me what's the plan?